Hello. Forest bathing, or absorbing the forest atmosphere, is a practice that encourages people to simply spend time in nature. Forest bathing isn't a bath. It's not a hike either. It is walking in the forest, but with no particular destination in mind. Forest bathing is to slow down and become immersed in the natural environment. Tune into the elements, colors, smells, textures, tastes, and other sights of the forest. Take in the forest with all your senses. Touch the trees, observe the leaves, the grass, smell the freshness of the forest. Find a place to stop and stand for a minute or two and close your eyes. Just breathe. Take in deep breaths and observe your breaths. Then, after a pause, slowly open your eyes and imagine you are seeing the forest for the very first time. Observe how much more vivid everything is around you, how your senses have sharpened, and tune into the delight of the forest. Move through the forest this way, and you'll be right in the moment. And when your thoughts wander, then move right back into the moment with all your senses in tune to the forest. Walk through this forest and bathe in the beauty, the living, breathing earth all around you. This helps you to feel in tune with nature and naturally reduces stress, boosts immunity, and helps you to move into a calm state of mind. It helps to improve your mood and give you more energy throughout your day. Forest bathing is good to do once a week or even once a month. If you don't live near a forest, you can do this in a park nearby or wherever there are trees and nature around you. Connecting to this pure energy helps us to live in the moment and to tap into this phenomenal power and experience as it brings energy and balance into our lives as we connect to the forests that provide life all around us. We hope that you enjoyed this video.